Hello students. Today is Friday. Yes, today is Friday, August 28, 2020, and it's the last day of class of this week. And also of this month is the last Friday of the month of August. So, what we're going to do today in our reading class is just to practice with some dialogues. Remember that on Fridays we practice with dialogues. So, today, what you're going to read is a short dialogue about Max and Joe. This dialogue is about sports, and Joe and Max are arguing or they are discussing some things about some sports. So, we are going to read what they are talking about, and we are going to practice our reading and pronunciation through this process. So, Max is saying, "Hey Joe, what is your favorite sport?" Remember that when we are reading, we have to read with sense in order to understand in a clear way what we are trying to express. Joe is saying, "My favorite sport is tennis. What is your favorite sport?" Then Max is going to continue talking. "I like to play baseball, but I like tennis too. Who do you play with?" "Joe, I play with my father. He is a good tennis player." Then Max, "How often do you play?" "Joe, we play every weekend. Do you want to play with us?" And Max says, "Okay." So, easy, right? Yes, sure. That's what you have to do. You have to read the dialogue with sense in order to comprehend what they are saying. So that was everything for today's reading class. Have a nice weekend. I'm sending you a lot of hugs and kisses. I love you so much. Please take care and see you until next week of class. Blessings from the Lord from you and yours.